Dee, don't you think we should decorate our room with colorful things? Yes, I agree. I have an idea. Let's make beautiful paper butterflies to decorate our room. First, fold one corner of the paper to the opposite corner, creating a triangle. Then fold it again to make a smaller triangle. Next, fold the top corners inward to the center crease to form a smaller triangle. Then flip it over and fold the bottom point up, leaving a small gap. Now, fold the sides inward to form the wings and gently curve the top edges outward. And there you have it. Now, let's add some color. Wow, Dee, they are beautiful. Can I color them? Sure. Our room looks amazing, doesn't it? Yes, it's like we are in a fairy tale.